Guess what? Are these Van Gogh's sunflowers or yellow daisy coral? Could this be one of the funniest and cutest moments in the animal world? In the face of crashing waves, those homes seemed so tiny and helpless.
Alright, let's get closer. Oh, look at the vortices in that.
Can you believe that amidst the freezing waters and snow, nature has gifted us a flower? The rock formation in Sarij, west of Tabuk, stands out like a landmark in the desert. Swimming in icy water was already challenging. But this guy took it to a whole new level. This strange circle forms to protect against predators, making it hard for them to focus on a single target. The eye of the Earth could be the door to another dimension. In contrast to the eye of the Earth, the Icon stream resembled the eye of an evil spirit.
There's a whole super dolphins, and there's a whole nother one.
Brothers Kate and Devon had a similar experience during their fishing trip off the coast of Cape Town, South Africa. No, wait, look at this! This moment made them question their own abilities. Not at all what they had in mind. Look at what seemed to appear in sci-fi fantasies became a reality on an August morning in China.
I got that one.
To this day, there's still no explanation for the bizarre phenomenon of bent pine trees in the Crooked Forest. The thick ice cracked into long shards, which he could effortlessly break apart. This phenomenon is called candle ice, formed when ice melts vertically, creating delicate upright crystals. It's the Kallima inachus butterfly. This butterfly, found in forests from India to Japan, Wow, it's real-life Pikachu! Actually, This is Pikachu nudibranch, a sea slug named for its resemblance to the Pokemon character. On October 17th, tourists on the island of Cyprus were left awestruck by a hundreds-meter-high water spout. A tiny yellow creature was discovered by researchers on the ocean floor off the coast of Central California. It's like I said to the seafloor. Looks amazing, doesn't it? The playful moment between these two baby turtles is so adorable. Who needed these fluffy cotton balls into the clouds? On October 21st, pedestrians in Barranquilla, Colombia were thrown into a frenzy by the appearance of a giant monster. OMG! A massive tsunami is crashing toward the rooftops. A mild avalanche swept through the Trek Camp Base Everest area. Like a masterpiece of nature, Mother Nature has transformed the saltwater lakes of Maui, Hawaii into vibrant pink seas.
Stuff, but nothing like this. There's a palm floating.
What? A dust devil unexpectedly visited a vegetable garden in a suburb of Japan. Amid the fierce volcano, the sky dazzled with a surreal burst of colors. A series of bizarre bumps appeared on the road. This stunning waterfall is not only a magnificent natural wonder, but also a daring challenge for kayak champion Ángel Sarasolas. Get upside down? Have you ever witnessed such an extraordinary thing? An albino stingray. Oh my God. Moskströmmen, the sea monster of the Lofoten Islands, Norway.
Oh, here we go. Coming up. Mouth wide open. Oh my God, look at this guy.
Have you ever witnessed thousands of starlings flying together in bizarre shapes? What went on over on 50th Avenue in Denver? The manhole cover oddly danced due to the underground water pressure. with its massive red rock formations, majestic canyons, and enigmatic desert terrain, make this place an impressive nature's masterpiece. An enigmatic smoke ring hovering over the skies of Hanoi, Vietnam. This was because the white foam, created by various tiny plant debris and waste, was formed. Rising like a colossal stone tower reaching toward the sky, this rugged, enigmatic rock stands 1,558 meters. Who could resist the beauty of the crystal clear ocean, soft white sand, and the bright golden sunshine at Palm Beach, Florida?
Wow, wow. Están bailando.
The Nambrata Kubaryana sea slug flaunts a striking appearance with vibrant blue stripes and bright orange spots. But when summer hits, something bizarre starts to unfold in Oregon. Just like the vibrant auroras in the polar skies, the ocean has its own spectacular light show. Someone must have released giant cotton balls into the sky. What else could create such a bizarre sight in Hubei, China? This moment wraps up our collection for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed our content. And if there's something specific you want us to cover in future videos, drop a comment. We're all ears.